So hello everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you that how can you make a select bar like this. All the titles, options, this type of Kung Fu Panda, Little Mermaid, adventure, titles, all these things. I'll be teaching you all the things A to Z. So let's go to VS Code. Over here our VS Code is already open. So I'll first write the basic code. And to make this type of select bar we'll use the select tag. Everything is simple. To make select bar we'll use select tag. After that, in select bar there are options like this which we can select. So for that we'll use option tag. Now the values are used for backend. So in option tag we'll put cars and we'll take the example of cars and bikes. So let's add some cars. Corolla, Tesla, Fortuner. Now I'll take some bikes. 128, 234, and Honda. Okay, let's reload our page. Over here. Now there are cars, 5 cars and 3 bikes. Now I wanna divide them in 2 groups. One should be of cars and one should be of bikes. And in car section there should be title of cars and in another there should be of bikes. So to make groups of options we'll use the opt group, means group of options. Okay, group of options. Now I have made the group of options but there is no title. So to add title of cars you can add any title. We'll use label attribute to add title. Now see the magic. Now let's do the same process with bikes. See the magic. How cool it is looking. So that was all I had to teach you about opt group and select tag. Thank you.